If you're looking to up your typography game, then you definitely need to check out ArtText. It's a graphic design application for Mac meant for creating super stylized text with a bunch of different tools and effects. Thanks to Be Light for sponsoring 9to5Mac on YouTube. Let's check it out. Within the software, you can choose between a whole lot of different text options. We've got a bunch of 3D text options, distorted text, flat lettering, and probably one of the coolest to me is the spray option. For example, we can use coffee to form text here. You can modify the density, which has a huge effect on the look. You can even tweak the angle of every individual coffee bean. That's awesome. The randomize option is really cool as well, as it allows you to tweak the positioning of the coffee beans, the size, and the angle in a more random and spontaneous manner. It gets cooler though, because I can actually add other materials. Let's add some leaves, some kiwis, some grass. The fill and effects tabs are where you're going to be doing most of the fine-tune and detail-oriented tweaks to your text design. For example, here we can play with this slider and adjust the angle of the light shining onto this Miles text right here. You can also play with the depth, which will give your text a more defined look. As far as these shapes tabs go, you've literally got hundreds of options, from watercolor to hand-drawn shapes to animals, music, people. There's so many different options you can choose from to really spice up your creation. And an awesome feature here, when you go to layers, you can convert pretty much any shape into a 3D object that you can manipulate just like you would any other 3D object. One of the best parts about ArtText is that you don't have to be a genius level graphic designer to use this software well, and you can start off with any of these design templates. You've got over 440 of them. And then when you factor in the individual customization of those templates, you've practically got limitless capability for designs within this software. ArtText takes all of these advanced tools and makes them really easy to use. And of course, ArtText lets you export your project as a standard image file, but you can also share projects to the clipboard. And then when you open an application like Pages, you just hit paste and your project will be there. With over 440 different design templates and thousands of ways to customize them, ArtText is a really awesome graphic design application for Mac, and we'd highly recommend you download it. If you want to try out ArtText for free, just make sure to click the first link in the description down below. Thanks to Be Light Software for sponsoring 9to5Mac on YouTube, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.